first graders. I miss you guys so much. I'm ready to make a math choice today. I decided that I wanted to add some big numbers using my place value blocks. So I've got some blocks right here. I know that you guys don't have blocks at home, but remember, you can always draw your place values blocks. You can make a hundreds block like this. If you want to make some tens blocks, you can just make some lines. And if you want to put ones blocks, you can draw little dots, or maybe bigger dots if you want to see them better, or little squares. Okay, let's do some addition. I want to add 20 plus 30. So I'm going to get some blocks. First, I need to make 20. 10, 20. Now I'm going to make 30. 10, 20, 30. Now I need to add them all together. So I'm going to keep on counting. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You could also do first grade counting like this. I already know there's 20 here, so I can say 20, 30, 40, 50. So I know that all together, I have 50. I have 5 tens, and 20 and 30 makes 50 all together. Let's try one that's a little bit harder. What if I had, ooh, this is a big one, 24 plus 40. So first, I need to make 24. 10, 20. Can you guys see this? And 4 ones. There's 2 tens because there's a 2 in the tens place. And now I need 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. That shows 24. Now I'm going to build 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, now I need to add them all up together. What I like to do is I like to add all the tens up first and then count the ones because I think it makes it a little bit easier. 10, 20, I'm going to skip the ones, 30, 40, 50, 60. I have 6 tens all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 60. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. All together, I have 64. If it's tricky when you're adding them all together, another thing you can do is you can move your ones over and put them all together like it's just one big number. And then you can just count it up like we did yesterday or the other day. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. I added them all together, and 20 plus 40 is 64. Should we do a harder one? What if I did 80 plus 21? 80 plus 21. Okay. First, I need to make 80. That's going to be 8 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, there's my 8 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Plus 21. 10, 20, 1. Okay, now we need to count them all up. 10, 20, 30. Wait a minute. I can do first grade counting. I already know this is 80. 80, 90, 100, 101. Maybe I should count the other way just to be sure. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101. And what's really cool about this is that if I have 100, that means that I should have 10 of these tens blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they should be the same size as a 100 blocks. It's the same thing. They all fit together. So really, I could also show this number like this, 101. But that's a little bit more of a challenge problem. Okay, let's do one more. And I mean one more for real this time. Let's do 34 plus 22. First, I need to make 34. 10, 20, 30. There's 3 in the tens place, so I have 3 tens. I have a 4 in the ones place, so I need 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count to make sure I'm correct. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, now I need 22. In the number 22, there's a 2 in the tens place, so I'm going to get 2 tens. 10, 20. There's also a 2 in the ones place, so I'm going to get 2 ones. 1, 2. Let's count it and make sure that I have 22. 10, 20, 21, 22. Okay, let's add them all together. Remember, I said it's easy to add all the tens first. So I'm actually going to take my ones and scooch them over and put all my tens together. It doesn't matter because I'm adding them all up and counting them up all together. Can you count these at home? I'll wait and let you go first. You can pause it if you need more time. Do you have an answer? Okay, my turn. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. 34 plus 22 is 56 altogether. I had 3 tens and 2 tens, and that made 5 tens. And then I had 4 ones and 2 ones. And when I put those together, I had 6 ones. 56. 34 and 22 is 56. Do you think that you could do some on your own at home? You could draw a picture. Maybe you could draw some blocks on a piece of paper and cut them out to make hundreds, tens, and ones blocks. Can you solve these problems? Let's do Okay, I have 3 problems for you to solve at home. Can you solve 20 plus 50, 42 plus 10, and 80 plus 14? See if you can draw some tens and ones blocks at home so that you can solve these problems. Have fun adding. Bye, first grade.